type of insecticide or pesticide, organophosphate, carbamate, chlorinate, hydrocarbon, aluminum phosphate, pyrethroid. Commonest pesticide poisoning, organophosphorus poisoning, carbamate. Classification of insecticide on the mode of penetration, where they cause effect upon ingestion, stomach poison, penetration of body covering, contact poison or inhalation fumigant. Based on chemical composition, alkyl phosphatase, aryl phosphatase ഉണ്ട്. Common organophosphorus, chlorpyrrose, temiphos, diazinon, TIC20, malathion, parathion, trichloroferone, glyphosate, weed off. Common carbamate, aldicarb, carbaryl, propoxer, bygone, physostigmine, neostigmine, pyridostigmine, enterophonium. Organophosphorus inhibit acetylcholinesterase and plasma or butyrylcholinesterase, pseudocholinesterase, cholinesterase inhibitors ആണ്. Signs and symptoms of OPC poisoning: salivation, lacrimation, urination, diarrhea. GST symptoms: emesis, sludge, pupillar constricted, meiosis in organophosphorus OP poisoning. Chromodacria, shedding of red tears seen in OPC poisoning. OPC are usually mixed with a solvent, Aromax, which is responsible for kerosene-like smell in breath and body secretion. Fatal dose of malathion and diazinon, 1 gram parathion, 175 mg. Confirmatory test for OPC poisoning, a paranitrophenol test. Treatment of OPC poisoning: atropine, antidote, pralidoxime. Atropinization includes mydriasis, dryness of tongue, reduced oropharyngeal secretion. Most specific sign: tachycardia, flushing. PALM helps in regenerating or acetylcholinesterase associated with the skeletal muscle neuromuscular junction, ineffective in reversing CNS effect of OPC. PALM is not recommended for carbamate poisoning. Kerosene-like smell from nostrils, mouth and stomach. Content is seen in death due to OPC poisoning. Most important sequelae for OPC poisoning: neurological manifestation. Commonly used chlorinated hydrocarbon, DDT, endrin, gamma-hexane, dieldrin. Most toxic chlorinated insecticide, endrin. Endrin is called plant penicillin because of its broad spectrum of activity against various pests. Pupils are dilated in endrin poisoning. Fatal dose of endrin 5 to 6 gram, DDT 10 to 20 gram. Treatment of endrin poisoning: gastric lavage, activated charcoal, cathartic, chlorstearamine, calcium gluconate. Kerosene-like smell from the mouth, nostrils and mouth is seen in death due to endrin poisoning. Endrin-resistant putrefaction can be detected in exhumed body. Paraquat is a herbicide and weed killer, gamoxane and weedol. There is ulceration and corrosion of the mouth and tongue in paraquat poisoning. Paraquat tongue. Fatal dose of paraquat 4 mg per kilogram, 5 ml of gamoxane or 1 to 2 gram of weedol.